Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. It's Ingrid here from Ingrid Joy Aromas. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today I'm going to be making a face serum for sensitive skin, guys. And today I'm going to be using almond oil in this one. The last time I make it, I used jojoba oil. So today I'm going to be using almond oil. And almond oil is so good for your skin, among other things. I'm also going to be throwing up some information in front of me, and you guys will go ahead and read. So you need your gloves. As you can see, I showed you before that my nails are terrible, and forgive me for that because of the oil and so much washing, my nail polish could never stay on. So that's why sometimes I tend to use a lot of gloves, guys. So yes, so today I'm gonna be using I'm showing you them right now, but by talking I forget to tell you what I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna be using 4 drops of frankincense today. I'm using 5 drops of rose. I'm going to be using 5 drops of lavender. I'm also going to be using 5 drops of vitamin E. That's optional. You can use the vitamin E or not. And then I'm going to top it off with this oil that I'm showing you. This is the jojoba oil, and always use organic oil, guys. Do not use the one from the kitchen, because these oils are made differently for the face, and also not just the face alone, but other things that I make as well. So I never go to the store and buy these oils. I always buy them from the manufacturer, or I got them from Amazon, organic. So today I'm using 2-ounce bottle. The recipe that I have up on the screen today, guys, it is for the 1-ounce bottle. So what you need to do is just double up and your oil if you're going to be using a 2-ounce bottle. And also you need a syringe, and don't forget that you need to keep these in a dark place, and these will stay fresh for a whole entire year. So I'm also going to see if I can put some labels on there today. I plan to do the labeling tomorrow, but I may get a little busy tomorrow. So I'm going to see if I can do everything all in one today. And so if you hear me stop talking, just bear in mind I need to count all these drops that I'm going to put in each bottle. And yeah, I don't want to make any mistakes on these oils, because remember, I'm going to be double up on these oils. So if you hear me stop talking for a little bit, just bear in mind that I am starting from now. So I hope you were doing some reading in the meantime. I keep quiet. So I'm gonna use this oil right now, and I'm gonna tap off my bottles also, and also I'm gonna be stop talking for a little bit. So continue to read some information that I'm gonna be throwing up on the screen for you. So let me go ahead and concentrate and fill up these bottles, and I'll be right back. Right, so as you can see, I'm done. I'm gonna show you today how I sanitize my bottle, because not sanitize, I clean these bottles. I usually use the alcohol spray bottle, but today I'm gonna show you a new trick, which I use the rubbing alcohol to clean these bottles, because I don't see anybody else do it, but I find it work very, very well for me to clean these bottles, because it's just like alcohol in a gel. So it cleans really, really well with me. And if you don't have rubbing alcohol, just go ahead, and if you have some sanitizer, just clean your bottles, and it takes everything off. And just remember, when you're cleaning your bottles, you don't want any oil in it, because your 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 labels will just fly right off, and they won't be sticking at all. They slide straight off. And when I'm finished, I'm gonna give them a second wipe, and to make sure, there's no oil on them whatsoever. As you can see, this one here is clean. So I have one label that was almost done, so I just print this other one. So just let's give them a second wipe here to make sure there's no oil left over on them, because earlier I got a little spillage. And we're making today a face serum for sensitive skin. As always, whenever you do these oils, make sure, let me show you something first. I'm going to be spoiling this on purpose. Whenever you put labels on, you don't go all the way to the bottom of this, because this bottle is big. So I spoiled that one on purpose, but I'm going to show you the second one, that because this bottle is big, you want to go straight in the middle. So you go in the middle, then you take it to one side and then to the other, and this is the perfect bottle. And if you should get these labels wrong because they're paper, just get some spraying alcohol or something like that and try to rub it off. They'll come off, or scrape it off. As you can see, you go straight in the middle again, and so that one I spoil on purpose. So either I'm going to be using that one for myself, or either I'm just gonna fix it. So as always, do a patch test before you try anything on your face. Just do it for a day or so, and if you don't see any irritation, you're good to go. And always remember, um, everybody have different skins, and some will bubble, some will not bubble. As always, I never have anyone talk about anything happen to their face, or any of my product, because they always not their natural ingredients, and these coming straight from the manufacturer, guys. And if I should have, they don't want me to tell them that, something happened to the oil or whatever it is. No, I never have anybody that tells me that something's wrong with them. So, but if you know you have sensitive skin, just try these oils, because these oils are perfect for sensitive skins or skin. And don't forget, you can find me and Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. As you can see, these are all done. As always, I thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate everyone so much. And it was great to see I got monetized in 8 months. So I just want to thank everyone so much. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. Have a great afternoon, whatever it is, guys. Bye for now.